What's up, guys? It's your boy D2Fit. Come back with another video, man. This one's gonna be about LongBeachGriffy. It's called Eating at a Friend's House. If you haven't already, guys, subscribe to the channel. Remember, I'm doing two $100 giveaways when we hit 1,000 subscribers. Not only that, but I'm also throwing in $50 giveaways here and there as well. So, without any further ado, let's go out to this video.
Let that nigga speak.
Hey, that's how it be.
What the hell is he doing in my house, Dion? You ain't got no house. A house is not a tent on the street.
Wow.
You look like Skid Row Street. You look homeless as fuck. Eating all my goddamn food. This is not the fucking Red Cross, Dion.
Wow.
Homeless shelter. This is not an orphanage. This is not feed the fucking children. You don't look down. Stop bringing shit like this to my house.
Wow. I would have felt disrespected, yo. I would have just went home.
Homeless ass. Dirty ass.
Yeah, I'm going home, bro.
Fucking negresses.
Bro, I ain't coming back, bro. Your mama tripping, bro. God. Yo, that's so real, guys. But if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, remember I'm doing two $100 giveaways when we hit $1,000, guys. I'm doing two $100 giveaways when we hit 1,000, my bad. And I'm also throwing in $50 giveaways here and there. So always pay attention to the videos. Without any further ado, peace.